Hey guys, welcome back. Just gonna do a quick start up on the 71 C10 here. You gotta get this cedar swing off the back. You had to store it on there. Store it on there for the winter. So, been sitting outside here for about a week now.
May 1971 Chevy C10, not the 97. I don't know why I say that. 1971.
Say hello to my little friend, Mr. Choke.
Alright, fire it up.
Sounds like a tractor. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a couple more spring startups coming soon. We're about to get the 77 Corvette and the 69 Jeep started up for the first time this year. So make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe for more.